Good morning! Ito ho, first day ng ating road test ng ating pong Willionario Libreng Sakay. Nandito kami sa Civil Tower and then pupunta muna kami ng Caloocan, paikot. I-road test muna namin to kasi kailangan malaman namin kung nasa condition. Gusto ko kasi ma-feel ko ano yung nararamdaman ng mga driver. And then after that, ita-turn over na po ito sa LTFRB, Chairman Bicor, no?
Beep, 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 ang sabi ng jeep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 ang sabi ng jeep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep, beep.
Dalawa kami! Thank you!
Beep, beep, beep.
Ito, libre kayo, may bayad!
Tubi-dubi-dap-dap, 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 tubi-dubi-dip-dip, tubi-dubi-dap-dap-dap, tubi-dubi-dip-dip-dip-dip-dip. Taba-dubi-dubi-dap, dubi-dap, dubi-dap, dip-dip-dip-dip-dip-dip. Sabi ng jeep, sabi ng jeep.
Nakausap ko si Chairman Artes. Thank you so much, Chairman. Saka si Chairman Bicor. Maraming po salamat sa suporta nyo.
Jeep,